Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am wonderful and we are continuing with the interview with Mr. Paul. Today we want to learn about how to start Ghana's farm. If you like the video, share and subscribe.
Actually, we are in the Ghana farm here, and you want to know how I started the Ghana farm. Okay. First of all, if you want to start doing Ghana farm, you have to do preparation of land. You have to get your seed. You have to make sure that the seedlings are very viable. You can't just go and buy any seed. Okay. This one is the red one. Yeah, we have the red one, the white one there. So the marketers they like the red one more than the white one. This they say the white one is not sweet and other thing. Yeah, so this is the red one, and it's 1 acre groundnut farm. Yeah.
Okay, please help us for starting. How do you start?
Yeah. As I said it earlier, I said you have to get your land preparation. When you prepare your land, you get your seedling. When you get the seedling, you just going for workers, that's the laborers to come and plant it for you. This one is direct planting. We don't do nursery, then you transplant it. No, it's a direct sowing. We do plant it direct.
Okay, with the intervals.
The intervals is just 25 centimeter. It's not all that wide. Yeah.
Okay, so in the oh, I mean, see that you go in one row.
Actually, I plant one in a hole,
Yeah,
one seed in a hole.
once in a row.
Yeah.
Okay. So how long it takes for harvest?
Okay. It take 12 weeks. That's the 3 months roughly.
3 months
Exact 3 months. If it get to the 3 months and you do not harvest it, it will generate.
again.
Yeah,
Wow.
yeah.
Okay, please take out to the 3 month the journey for.
Okay. When you finish doing the planting and it generates, you start weeding it when it's 3 weeks.
Okay.
You see that when it gets to the 3 weeks, you will see some flowers, the yellow flowers. The moment you see the yellow flower, then it's 3 weeks. Then you have to start the weeding. If you not weed and get to 1 month, it will start forming the canopy and it will be difficult for you to work within.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So I did my medication for it.
Actually, you don't apply any chemical. But right now, they say they have chemical that they use to control the weeds, and I've not tried that one. I go our
Local
local,
weed.
yeah, I use the hole to weed the weeds within the groundnuts. Yeah.
So after you plant, you don't use any fertilizer, any nothing.
No. You see, it's a leguminous crop, so you don't need to apply
Apply.
any fertilizer and those things. It also help the land. It give the land fertilizer, so you don't need to give any.
Okay. So what land is good for?
Oh, when you get like loamy soil, sandy soil, it's good. You can plant it in a clay soil, but clay soil is not all that. But when when you plant it in the dry season, it's difficult for you to harvest it. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the harvest, and how do you do the harvest?
Oh, we just let me harvest. We just hold it and just pull it up. Everything will just come.
Wow.
Yeah.
So that's now this one, the labor is very low.
The labor is not, the price of labor is not all that costly. Yeah. 1 acre you can pay like say 360 cedis for labor.
Okay, so starting the 1 acre, how much do you expend for 1 acre?
Okay. Okay. Roughly, I spend, let's say, for 1 acre, I spend 2,000.
2,000.
Yeah.
So for the harvesting, how much do you expect to get?
Okay, it depends on the land. When the land is fertile, okay, you see, last year I I do half acre land, and I had 17 bags,
Okay.
17 bags of groundnuts. Yeah,
So
and this year to have harvested the first one. Yeah, I had 11 bags, and the price is better than last year. Last year they bought it 350, and now it's between 450 and 500
so
per
for
bag.
450, the one you harvested, I mean bag you get.
I had 11
So
bags.
11 times 40 could be 4,000.
I say 450 to
So
500.
I'm just
Yeah.
making
Okay.
it like
Okay.
making it low.
Yeah.
Okay. So then it is profitable.
Yes, it's very profitable. As I said there, I say it depends on the land. When you get a good land, half acre can give you about 18, 17, 18 bags.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, I'm talking about the seed that we have in Ghana, the
Oh,
breed.
we have the local one and this hybrid one. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
If there's any advice for somebody to start,
Oh, okay. I would like to say it's a good business. It's a good business, and if anyone wants to go, you can go into. But before you go into the groundnut farming, you have to know you have to get buyers before you go into it. Sometimes it becomes difficult to get the buyers, and this one too is not a perishable produce. Okay, even if the buyers fail to come, I don't have problem. I can just dry it and crush it and sell it. Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay, please your number and your location.
Okay. My contact is 054 116 1234. I'm located around Winneba Ochekon stretch. Yeah, after Ochekon Bridge, there's a town there called Gomo Adawukwa. That's where I'm located.
Okay, thank you.